I have made a big change in my trading. I have switched from eSignal to WeBull. Why is it such a big change? Well, let me just add a little bit more context quick. So eSignal there is who I use for my charts, and as you can see, I literally just ended them. But the key is, when did I start using them? Well, right there, July 19th of 2007, which is absolutely crazy. I mean, I don't even know the math on that. It was like 16, 17 years I've been using eSignal for my charts, but I have officially ended them and begun to use WeBull. And I've done an entire podcast on this, so I'm not going to harp on it a whole lot here, other than the fact of, I never claimed to not be not a stubborn person, but I know I was well behind. That technology catches up. And when I first started to use eSignal back in 2007, technology was a very different thing. The amount of choices we have as far as platforms and quality platforms was completely different. And I've been using eSignal, been paying right around $200 a month since 2007. I'm sure they've raised prices over the years. But yeah, I've been paying a whole lot of money every month to use eSignal. But very recently, I've always liked WeBull, but I had this mental block. Well, no, eSignal's the cream of the crop. I want to use eSignal. Then I started to use some tests, and it just really opened my eyes. Clay, technology changes. Technology has caught up. And I mean, can you really tell the difference? And I want to walk you through a couple things, but the quick answer there is no, I can't. The first bit of context is very recently I did a video where I compared eSignal next to TradingView, next to WeBull. And you can go and watch that video. The link is in the description box, and let your own eyes be the judge. But as far as my eyes were concerned, there was no difference. WeBull was just as fast as eSignal. And again, WeBull is totally free. eSignal, right around $200 per month. Yet in that video, as you'll see, they were essentially, as far as I could tell, the exact same speed. And then next, here they are side by side, both charting platforms. Over here, we have eSignal. Over here, we have WeBull. And now don't look at this as a speed test because they're not side by side. This is just for visual sake. But from a visual standpoint, I really can't tell the difference, or I can tell the difference, sure, but is it like a massive, massive difference? In my mind, it is not. Sure, maybe I like these ones a little bit better, kind of got that neon green look. Here, maybe not as bright of a green, but really, am I really gonna pay $200 per month so I can get a brighter green? Does that really make much sense? In my mind, it doesn't. But looking at them side by side from strictly a visual point of view, like I said, is there a $200 difference? In my mind, there is not. So at the end of the day, I just had to make the decision, did I really want to let eSignal go? And in a bizarre way, it felt really weird. It felt like disloyal because, like I said, hopefully you saw the context, since 2007, it just felt bizarre. But like I said, ran the test. Speed could not tell a difference. As you just saw there, the look was essentially the same. So at some point, you just got to admit, Clay, you've been a little stubborn. Now, to be fair to me, or to be fair to myself, it's not like it's been like this for the past 10 years. I mean, technology does take a while to catch up, but it has caught up. And yeah, I probably should have switched at least a couple of years ago because I've always, recommended WeBull for their charts because I've always liked their charts, but I never was willing to take it that next step further. But I am now, and I have done it. So if you're wondering, hey, Clay, who would you recommend for charts? I officially, in all cases, recommend WeBull because I am now using them, and they do just fine for me. And the best part is they are completely free. And not only are they free, they'll actually pay you to use them. What do I mean? Well, they are always running promotions, and you'll want to go and use the link down below, and you'll be able to get these promotions. But right now you can see they're running up to 12 free stocks. If you sign up, all you got to do is open an account, deposit $100, and remember, the deposit for $100 you can use to go and buy stocks and crypto with. So it's not like that's a cost. That's just what you need to fund your account with. And then you get then you take advantage of whatever promotion they're running. And again, it's totally free. And on that note, if you do use the link down in the description box, that is an affiliate link. So I will get something. You will also get something. So if you're looking for a free way to help out the channel, that is a way in which you can do that. But that's certainly not why I'm recommending them. I'm literally using them now. So I don't know what other testament I could use that I really do enjoy the charts that they are offering. So yes, big change for me. I've now been using them for a while, and I'm still making money. So it's, it's not like that there's anything magical about the charts or what have you, but I've been very pleased with them. And basically I'm making an extra $200 every single month because penny saved is a penny earned, which is always a good thing. So like I said, that's the big change. I've now taken that next step in my trading journey, and I'm very happy with it, and hopefully it remains that way. And as of now, we'll see how it goes, but I have now gone from eSignal to WeBull. So if you are looking for a charting platform, I'd recommend, or at least encourage you to check out WeBull. Or if you're wondering if you should change, kind of like I was, yeah, I definitely recommend at least considering WeBull and running some tests and seeing if they meet what you may be looking for. So hopefully this helps. I'm still emotionally recovering from it. I'm married and all that sort of stuff, but I've been in a relationship with eSignal since 2007. So I've had a couple of, tear-filled nights, but I'm getting over it. But in all seriousness, I hope this helps. I hope this can at least open your eyes to maybe another charting platform to consider if you're somebody like me looking at change potentially, or maybe you're just brand new and you're looking for a charting platform to begin with. Definitely consider WeBull. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.